Okay, this is Ruby, about 12 weeks old now, big girl, gorgeous black and red female, knows a lot of behaviors, great puppy raiser home, doing really well. We're just adding to what she knows here, working on jumping, go, starting some sit stays, down stays, good. Okay, let's go jump, up, up. Come on. No cheating. Up and go. Good. Stand here with that little tiny piece. Stand here with that little tiny piece. Good. Okay. Up. Good. Up. This early training development just builds physical skills, more stimulus for the brain, which will help in the long-term development of a dog that's going to be an athlete. Early development like this helps make that coordination possible. Knows a lot of behaviors. Bark. Good. Shake. Good. Got a good start on sit up, roll over. Free lunch. Come on. No free lunch. Come here. There you go. Good. So, it's Ruby, 12 weeks old, gonna be a super dog.